Often we get the question which bike we're using, so let me introduce you to the bikes of ACT 2024, ACT Montenegro and Albania. First of all, we have the Yamaha Tenere, BMW F900 GS. Next bike, one of my favorite bikes on this trip, one of my favorite bikes, it's the Ducati Desert X, the GS 1300. We have the Husqvarna Norden. This one is the Revit edition. The bike of Lutz from Garmin this year is the Triumph Tiger. Next bike, Husqvarna Norden Expedition, same bike, Bugatti Multistrada, one of the beasts here. So the next bike we have is the KTM 890 Adventure. And the last bike we have is the one that I ride this time. It's the MV Agusta.
If we look at all these motorcycles that we come along here, I don't think that there was a bad motorcycle built anymore.
No.
And I think that anyone with confidence, you know, these days, anyone with who's trying to decide what to buy, you know, these days they're all so good. Just have a look at a few of them and look at the one that you really think is sexy and delicious and want to ride, and buy that one.
If you have the question, what is the best bike for the ACT to ride, I can tell you it's the bike you have.